Also on Elon news, Elon Musk says it's more important for Tesla to make a robot than a new car models this year. Well, this kind of coincides with the last story. The Tesla bot is the most important product that Tesla is developing this year, CEO Elon Musk said Wednesday on a fourth quarter earnings call, putting it ahead of the Cybertruck and other vehicles, including Semi and the Roadster. The Roadster, I don't know if the Roadster's ever going to happen, but it's almost like Tesla needs another company to work on all the things. I don't know.
Because the design is there.
I don't know.
They just have to manufacture it.
It's so hard to make a large quality technology product.
Right.
It's so hard. You couldn't even entrust anyone else to do it. So we're just left waiting for them to sort out the issues. The robot, codenamed Optimus, has the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time. Yeah, probably. The robot is an example of Musk's showmanship in which he announces that Tesla is working on exciting product schedule for years into the future that help energize employees, customers, and investors. That's true. Enthusiasm is effective and contagious. This will be a humanoid robot. We've really only seen, it's been very vague so far, but it could be one of these helper type humanoid robots.
The important thing that he recommended or he said was that you can overpower it.
Wow.
Just in case they go sentient and attack you.
Well, when he says you can overpower it, is he talking about Will Do, or is he talking about Jack, or is he talking about Bo?
Mo. He can.
Mo can overpower it. Okay.
Maybe even Otis. Like.
They're that. How are they going to stand up and move and have all these actuators and be that weak?
But he released some specs.
Are you nervous about this, Jack? I'm looking at your expression right now. What do you think about these? You're going to have this guy in your house or what?
No.
Really?
I just recently watched The Terminator, so it kind of is.
It's still fresh.
Oh boy,
the evil robots. But
this one's faceless.
What if the robot is just insanely useful, just doing all types of chores for you? Come on, Jack.
Then that's a different story. Yeah, if it's sweeping the floor,
taking out the trash. I know you hate it, Jack.
That's my least favorite.
There you go.
Thing.
I think it has the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time. The Tesla boss added the company has no plans to introduce the $25,000 vehicle. Maybe all those resources have been reallocated to bot production. Because when you think about the bot, every household could need it. The market is wide open, unlike automotive where there's lots of choices. And imagine from an industrial perspective in manufacturing and distribution. Imagine all the Amazon warehouses with these bots running around, putting things in boxes and such. I know it's a long way off, but you can picture it.
Oh yeah.